Hey guys, Conservative Lugnut here, and today I'm going to show you how to take a shower. So, I'm going to first start by turning it on. So, a lot goes into taking a shower, and you know, you got to clean yourself and have yourself ready for the whole day. So I'm just letting it heat up for a bit, and it's on. There you go. So, I'm more of a shower person. I used to be like mainly a bath person, but I kind of, moved on, and I just find showers to be more effective. So, I'm going to be getting in the shower. Okay. Ooh, it's a little bit cold, but that's fine. So, when you're in the shower, you have to realize that you don't want to waste water, The world only has so much water. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get your whole body covered in water. So that when you get to the soaping phase, which, spoiler alert, is the next part, it'll be easier to clean all the grime off your body. And I have a little timer, so I know how long I'm in the shower. Because you don't want to use more than 5 minutes, because again, the world does not have that much water left. So, got myself all wet, and now I'm going to use my shampoo and conditioner. So generally when I take a shower, I'm going to put it on my head first, so I have it all over my hair. Because you got to have that fly hair, you know what I mean? You got to look good for the day. So, applying the soap, and then right after applying the soap, I then apply it to my armpits. Because, fun fact, armpits get really smelly if you don't clean them right. So, I'm applying the soap to my body and everything. Okay. And now I'm going to apply the conditioner. Gotta get some of the conditioner to condition your hair. I don't really know what that means, but I just go along with it. So, I just washing all the soap out. Well, actually, no, I'm spreading it around. Because if you just leave it in place, it's not going to do much. So I'm going to use this little brush here. Kind of like a ball shape is the best way to describe it. And I'm just going to move all the soap around. So I take the soap in my hair, move it around, put a little bit in my face. Because I don't like to directly put soap onto my face. So I'm not going to do that. Just not if I direct it, not what I do. So, washing on. You don't want to take too long. Sometimes I'll idle for a bit, like thinking about things, thinking about dying, eating stuff, how my day's going to go. But if you do that, that's a lot of idling. You can waste a lot of time, and you can waste a lot of water. So, just soaping it off. Got most of the soap off. There we go. Just add a bit more. And that's basically it. Showering isn't that difficult. You gotta do it right. So that you're clean for the rest of your day. And yeah. So just some finishing touches. I'm gonna turn it off. And yeah, there we go. That's about 3-ish minutes. And that is how you take a shower. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And Conservative Lugnut out!